Good morning folks, welcome to the Tarmac Softy cycling vlog and welcome to another video. I'm out with Aiden, out for another ride. We're doing the Allport loop, Allport loop. Done it before. Welcome to the vlog. I've said that, haven't I? Oh well, let's get on with it. Right, we're in Duffield at the moment. I'm currently on the Triban. I got told off in an earlier vlog about how I was pronouncing it. I'm on the Decathlon Triban. Reason is that I've got a play in the bottom bracket on the Planet X. I've had it to bits and put it back together again and it's still playing it, so that's in need of a new bottom bracket, I think. So we're out on the Triban. Well, problem is this has not been ridden since the Festive 500 in winter, and got a problem with the front changer, and I think the cable is seized because it's not going up onto the top ring very easily. So I'm going to do some jiggery pokery with it and see if I can get it working properly. Plus it's rubbing as well on the, in certain gears. Okay folks, this is turning out to be a real bad vlog. Was going to be a particular kind of vlog, but got a bit of a problem. From the last, we've only gone about a kilometre from where I tried to adjust the front derailleur, and now we've got a puncture.
No puncture back yet.
Fair tune. Yeah, so the vlog's not quite turning out to what I wanted it to be. So Aiden, here's a lesson for you now while we're out on the road with a puncture. If anyone ever tells you not to turn your bike upside down, unless it's hydraulic disc brakes, don't take any bloody notice of them. The only problem with it is if you turn it, it'll damage your hoods. So you find somewhere nice and soft, turn it upside down, not on the ground. Somewhere nice and soft. So don't take. You're only the weird. Anyway. These are tubeless ready rims, so they stick. It needs pressing all the way around. So it unseals the bead from the rim on both sides. Okay, and assuming taking the helmet off, assuming you're self-sufficient, which you will be, and depending on the length of the ride, depends on really how many inner tubes you've got. Length of the ride that we do, I keep one spare inner tube and a puncture repair kit, because in the event that this one gets punctured, you've still got a get out plan. And of course, tyre levers. I wrap the multi-tool and the tyre levers all in an old sock. Stop them rattling around in the bag. And these are simply the best tyre levers I've ever had. hedgerows. They come in pairs. I've got 2 pairs of them. And what we do is we start opposite the valve. And with these, hopefully, hook it over and it hooks onto this boat, and then we find another place. Now these are so tight to get. They are very, very tight, but you don't want them hooked around your spokes for too long. Once you've got it like that, you should then be able to do that. Yeah, all the way around. Finish off with your fingers. You don't have to go all the way. Like that. Fortunately, this valve hasn't got a knurled nut on, and I'll come to those in a minute. I'll come to that in a minute. But yeah, just hook the tyre out, the inner tube out. Pull that in. Right, YouTube. Word of advice, which I didn't do in this instance: take the inner tube that you put in your bag out of all the rubbish. Throw the rubbish away at home. Saves a whole lot of messing about and the risk of losing it in the countryside. Now then, the reason why I get on to the point of the knurled nut. Now, some people hate these.
Wait, do you have a pump? I just realised this now.
Right, assuming that you haven't forgot your pump.
Number 2.
Fucking Jesus, it's great, isn't it? Right. You see the inner tube and the tyre all the way around, yeah, pop it in. Now, the beauty about these knurl nuts for start is, oh, you don't tighten it all the way up, not to begin with. That's assuming the inner tube that you're putting in has one of these knurl nuts. If it hasn't, then it doesn't matter, but if it has, then okay, barring all problems, okay, when putting it back on, start at the valve end, at the valve side. Yeah, little trick to note, all these have blue marks to show you where the valve hole is. Also, a good idea, a little trick, is to put the logo, make sure the logo is over the valve, you can find it easier. Anyway, drop it in and then pull. These are so ridiculous. Pinch the beads together so they sit in the middle. Yeah, pushing it, I try to squeeze it so the actual tyre bead, because they're deep section rims, and they're deep because they are tubeless ready, so they are tighter than normal, but you keep pushing it, keep working it, and there we go. Squeeze it round, make sure it sits nice and tight. Now then, the valve might be preventing it from sitting properly. So just give it a shove up and give it a squeeze, and then do the nut up. Now the reason why I prefer the nut on these valves as opposed to this style is high pressure pumps, pulling them on and off, pumping the tyres up, weakens that round here and simply pulls that and tears the rubber. With this knurled nut, that doesn't happen. There we go. Anyway, look at me. Right, after all that, we might rescue this vlog. The problem is that Nige, being a doofus, when getting the Triban ready, did not transfer the pump bracket from the Planet X. So we've come out here, punctured, no fecking pump. We're 8 miles from Wirksworth, but my daughter Bethany, she's going to bring the pump out to us. So there we go. Don't forget your pump. Anyway, yeah, there you go, Aiden, changing the inner tube in the field. Number 1, remember your bloody pump. Right, just of note, while ringing home to get some assistance, the bike blew over in the wind and I've got 2 chainring tattoos. That hurts. This freaking ride has turned out to be a right comedy of errors. We've been rescued. Aiden says, how about we get the bikes in Bethany's car, we can go home. I says, yeah, we'll be left here and the bikes will be going. Yes, one at a time.
Wow.
I'm injured. So we've managed to fix the puncture. Aiden up front. We've actually just pulled off the main road. Must have phoned the Y and tell her that we're on our way again. But yeah, this trip is turning into this road, this little road ride. Everything has been thrown at us. Everything that could go wrong has gone wrong. We're just pulling up to the main road and we're just going to carry on back home, I think. I'll talk to you in a bit. So, been a funny old day, but we're in Idridge Hay Green, just off the main road, and yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. Anyway, sorry I haven't had much time to vlog on the bike footage. This vlog has taken a completely different turn to what it was supposed to be about. I have to save that for another day. But I hope you enjoyed the content. It made a change. The moral of the story is, don't forget your pump.
Only you do.
Yes. Thanks for reminding me. Anyway, yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, then I don't know what you're playing at. Click the subscribe button. In the meantime, stay safe, enjoy your cycling, and we'll see you in the next vlog. Bye bye for now. Say bye-bye, Aiden.
Bye-bye.
Still here, still watching, consider subscribing to the channel. It helps no end. Give this video a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this one, click here. In the meantime, stay safe, enjoy your cycling. I'll see you in the next vlog.